Okay, so we continue the last part of our uh, um, study guide, and okay, so we are in number 20. Number 20, we can afford to make payments of $350 per month for 4 years. So $350 per month, 4 years, which is basically 4 times 12, that's 48 months. What is the largest amount of a loan we can get at an APR of 5%? So APR 5%, and how much loan we can get. So first get R. R is 5 divided by 12 divided by 100. Five divided by 12 divided by 100. 0.004167. Okay, so now I have to realize what formula to use. So the amount borrowed, how much, it's basically the formula, the amount to borrow, that's equal to monthly payment multiplied by 1 plus r raised to the power t minus 1 all divided by r multiplied by 1 plus r raised to the power t, and the power is only for this parenthesis. Okay, so now we can play with numbers. So let me get my r again, divided by 100, add to 1, raised to the power t, which is 48, minus 1, multiplied by monthly payment, which is 350, and that's for the numerator, that's 77.3133. Denominator, 1 plus r, 5 divided by 12 divided by 100 plus 1 raised to the power t, 48, multiplied by r, 0.0041667. So that's the denominator, 0.00508. 1 over answer is like dividing by this guy. So what I'm doing when I do 1 over x, when I did 1 over, on the calculator, when I do 1, I had a number, okay, in the calculator I had 0.00508, and then I pressed 1 over x. What it does is that it calculates 1 over 0.00508, and that was my number, which is 196.57. So what I need to do, multiply 196.57 multiplied by 77.3133. If you didn't understand what I did, don't worry about it. Just take this, divide by this. So the answer is $15,197.89. So I am paying a monthly payment of $350, and it will accumulate with interest, it will be about $15,200. So that's almost my amount. So let me see. Actually, 15,198. So it is actually C, which is cool. Moving on. To buy a car, you borrow 25,000. So that's 21. With 3 years. So 3 times 12, that's 36 months. APR 6.5%. What is your monthly payment? That's very straightforward. So monthly is equal to monthly payment, that's equal to amount borrowed multiplied by R multiplied by 1 plus R raised to the power T divided by 1 plus R raised to the power T minus 1. So again, my R is equal to 6.5 divided by 100 divided by 12. It's the same thing. Divided by 12 divided by 100. $6.5 divided by 12 divided by 100. 0.0054. Okay, so plus 1, that's 1 plus R raised to the power T, which is 36, multiplied by R, 0.0054, multiplied by the amount, which is 25,000, that's 163.98, divided by the same amount. Oh my god, that's a lot of work. 0054 plus 1, that's 1 plus R raised to the power 36 minus 1, 0.2139. So 163.98 divided by 0.2139, answer is 766. So that's the monthly payment if I want to save a total of 25,000 after 3 years. So $766, and let me see if this is one of the answers. And yes, 21B. Okay, cool. Moving on. So 22, I understand it was not very obvious in the sheet that you guys have. 22, the going rate for a home mortgage with a term of 30 years, 6%, and that's APR. Lending agency says that based on your income, your monthly payment must be $900. So I have a monthly payment. I need to get how much amount I can borrow. So APR, so R would be 6 divided by 12 divided by 100. That's an easy number. 0.5 divided by 100. That's 0.005. 30 years is 30 times 12. That's 360 months. Okay, so now amount borrowed, that's equal to monthly payment multiplied by 1 plus r power t minus 1 divided by r multiplied by 1 plus r raised to the power t. Okay, so bring the calculator. 1.005 raised to the power 360 minus 1 multiplied by monthly payment, which is $900. So the monthly payment I can afford is 900. So multiply by 900, 4,520.3177. Denominator 1.005, which is 1 plus r, raised to the power 360 multiplied by r 0.005, that's 0.03011. So divide 4520, whoops, 4520.3177 divided by 0.03011, and the answer is, so how much would be the price of the house? $150,000 and $126. $150,000 and 112. So I may have some mistakes in the rounding, but it's all good. Okay. So moving on, 23. A car dealer car dealer offers a loan with no interest. So it's supposed to be an easy calculation, no ugly formulas. No interest charged for the term of 3 years. So 3 years, 3 times 12, 36 months. That's the terms. If you need to borrow 15,000, your monthly payment would be simply 15,000 divided by 36. How do I minimize this? 15,000 divided by 36, $416. $416, and the answer is this guy. Okay, moving on, almost done. 24. Assume we take out $3,000 loan for 12 months. So I have amount, I have term, I have APR. What percentage of the first month's payment is interest? Sweet. So what percentage of the first month is interest? Now I have to change the APR to first of all I have to get the monthly payment, and I need to change the APR and get the R. So this is an amortization problem. So first of all, R is equal to 8.5% divided by 12. 8.5 divided by 12 divided by 100, 0.00708. Okay, so I have to calculate the monthly payment. So the monthly payment is equal to amount borrowed, that amount multiplied by r, 1 plus r to the power t, divided by 1 plus r to the power t minus 1. Okay, so the amount is 3000 multiplied by r, 0.00708, multiplied by 1.00708 raised to the power 12, divided by 1.00708 raised to the power 12 minus 1. Okay, (1.00708) power 12 multiplied by 0.00708 multiplied by 3000, 23.1165. The denominator 1.00708 raised to the power 12 minus 1, 0.08834. So I divide by this number, multiply by 23.1165, and the answer is 261.65. Now, an important question is how much of this is going to interest and how much is going towards the equity. So we look at, if you remember the pip sandwich, so we had the original amount, which is 3000. Whoops, sorry. So we have the principal, right? 3000. We have monthly payment, which I just calculated, JETS PIP. Oh, payment. Oh, this is called bread. Yep, balance. So the payment is 261.65. Okay. Now there's an interest, and so that's payment. That's interest, and that's payment principal. So they're asking what percentage of the first month's payment is interest. So how much is going towards the interest? They want to know this. And in order to do that, you simply, the interest portion, that's equal to the balance, which is 3000, multiplied by R. So that's 3000 multiplied by 0.00 708. Okay. $24 or $21. Okay, sorry, I was checking my calculations and the number seemed to be very small, but it turned out to be the correct number. So that's the interest portion. So the question is, what is the percentage of the interest portion, meaning compared to total payment? So what you do, you have $21.24, which is the interest portion, you divide by the monthly payment, and you multiply by 100. So that's divided by 261.65 multiplied by 100, and this is what I was confirming actually. 21.24 divided by 261 multiplied by 100, and the answer is 8.13%. 8.13%. Close enough, because the answer, I think it's 8.12%. So meaning that if you do the amortization table, the first month 8% will go towards the interest, and the rest will go towards, so 8% will go towards the interest, whoops, and the rest, which is 100% minus 8.12%, which is equal to 91.88%, will go towards the principal. That's if you're asked. Okay, 22. Okay, sorry, actually 25. So 25, 2-year, meaning 24 months, CD and at an APR of 6.75%. Compounded monthly. How much interest will you pay by the end of the year? So 2-year, 24 months, APR 6.75%. The R is 6.75 divided by 12 divided by 100. 75 divided by 12 divided by 100, 0.005625. Okay. Okay, so they want to, so I have now, you are here. You purchase a CD, certificate of deposit, for $7,500. You are getting interest after 1 year, after 2 years. So how much interest you will get? So we'll find the final amount, and we'll subtract this from the 7,500, and we will know how much interest we get. So this is simply an investment problem. So there's no monthly payments. It's just you put an amount, you forget about it, and you collect your paycheck at the end of the day. So the balance is equal to the principal multiplied by 1 plus r to the power t. Simple. There's no monthly payment, so there's no reason for this to be complicated. Actually, there's no monthly payments. So we have 7,500 multiplied by 1.00562 raised to the power 24. Beautiful. (1.00562) raised to the power 24 multiplied by 7,500. 8,579.75. So the interest accumulated is this guy minus original amount, which is 7,500. Yeah, 7,500. Answer is 1,079. Uh-oh, did I mess up? Actually, no. Very close. So it's 1,080. And I have the answer key here, so it's correct. So moving on, 26. So you borrow principal 27,000. That's the principal for a term of 36 months. Then again, the monthly payment would be at least, meaning that with no interest, payment, no interest, that's equal to 27,000 divided by 36. $750. At least, of course, if there's interest, it would be more. 750 B. I see you already have it. You find, that the going rate for a home mortgage with a term of 30 years is 7.6%. If your largest monthly payment is 800, oh my God, we've done tons of these. So let's do it quickly. So term is 30 years multiplied by 12 months. That's 360 months. APR is 7.6%. So R is 7.6 divided by 12 divided by 100. 7.6 divided by 12 divided by 100. 0.0063. Okay. Monthly payment. Payment is 800, and I want to know the maximum amount I can borrow. So that amount is equal to the payment, 800 multiplied by 1 plus R, 0.0063 raised to the power t, which is 360, minus 1 divided by R, which is 0.0063 multiplied by 1.0063 raised to the power t, which is 360. Okay. Do the numerator first. 1.0063 raised to the power 360. You have to be very careful when you have huge powers. Minus 1 multiplied by 800. Answer is 6873.26. Denominator 1.0063 raised to the power 360 multiplied by 0.0063. That's 0.0604. Now 1 over answer multiplied by numerator, which is 6873.26. Answer is 113.745. 113. Close. Dang. See why it's bad to do approximation? So I bet you if you don't do the crude approximation I have made here and here, you may have gotten a better answer. But guess what? It works. 27 is B. That's according to my answer key. 3 more. 28. Find the interest paid on a 30-year mortgage of $350 at an APR of 6%. So they want the interest paid, meaning, so interest is equal to final amount or total amount minus initial amount. Whoops. The initial amount already I know it, it's 350. Okay. So I need to find the monthly rate. So it's a mortgage. So monthly payment, that's equal to amount borrowed initially multiplied by R, 1 plus R raised to the power T, 1 plus R to the power T minus 1. Because I bought a house 350, so I'm here. I buy a house 350K. I do monthly payments. If I add all of those, it will be a total payment. And basically I want to know how much, how additional is this one compared to the 450, to the 350. Okay, so monthly payments, that's equal to the 350,000 multiplied by R. Did I calculate my R? Not yet. APR divided by 12 divided by 100, that's my R. So that's 6 divided by 12 divided by 100, that's 0.005. So 0.005 multiplied by 1.005 raised to the power 30 years. So terms, how many terms? T is equal to 30 years. That's 30 multiplied by 12. That's 360 months. Okay. Okay, divided by 1.005 raised to the power 360 minus 1. Okay. One 1.005 raised to the power 360 multiplied by 0.005 multiplied by 350,000. That's 10,539.5. 1.005 raised to the power 360 minus 1. That's 5.0225. 1 over answer multiplied by 10, 539.5. So the monthly payment for a house that's worth $350,000 is $2,098, which will make sense. I mean, it's an expensive house. Now, I'm not done yet. That's monthly payment. I need the total payment. Total payment, total dollars paid is equal to 298.4 multiplied by that. How many terms? Times 360. 360. And the answer is 755,433. See? So you, for a house that's worth 350K, 350 grand, you paid 755 grand. So the interest paid is the difference. 755, 433 minus 350. So minus 350, and the answer is 405,433.188, which, as you might expect, it's even more than the original price of the house. Okay, so 405,434. Huh, not bad. And 28 is A. Okay, 2 more and I can go to bed. Okay. $29. A blank mortgage keeps the same interest rate over the life of the loan. So keeps the same interest rate. That's a fixed rate mortgage, because a variable rate, basically, from the name, it changes. So that was easy. Okay, and finally 30. You wanna borrow a principal of 450 grand, 25 years. Immediately multiply by 12. It will become 300 months. APR 5.5%. The monthly payment would be at least so approximation. So maybe I can try calculating things without the interest. So it's only a trial. I'm not sure if that's the answer. Monthly payment, no interest. That's equal to 450 divided by 300 terms. $450 divided by 450,000 divided by 300, so that's 1500 at least. And let me see if my answer makes sense. Now I do have a 1500, but I'm not sure if that's the answer. So maybe it's more. The answers are close. So I know that this eliminates the D, but I still have to check the others. So let's not take shortcuts. Monthly payment with interest. That's amount borrowed for 50,000 multiplied by R multiplied by 1 plus R raised to the power T divided by 1 plus R raised to the power T minus 1. Okay, that's 2R. Point 00458. Okay, 1 plus R is 1.00458 raised to the power T, which is how many terms? 300. Dang. Multiplied by R, 0.00458 multiplied by 450,000, and the answer is 8125.85. Denominator, let me do the R again. I mean, since it's an ugly number, plus 1 raised to the power T, 300, minus 1, 2.94267. 1 over answer multiplied by 8125.85. Answer is 2761.38 dollars per month. So 2761 doesn't make any sense. Apparently I messed up. So my answer key says it should be A, 30A. Let me see. It's okay, let's calculate again. No. I mean, if that's the case, I would choose B, but let's calculate again. It's okay. Give you guys a glimpse of what may happen for you in the class. So, what's going on? 450,000, 25 terms. So 25 times 12 is 300. Okay, sounds good. 5.5 divided by 12 divided by 100. 0.0045833. Could it be the numbers that are messing me up? Okay, so I need a monthly payment, so maybe I'm just making sure I use the right formula. Monthly payment based on amount borrowed. Okay, so looks like this is correct. Let me use another color for my correction. So this is correct. This is R, this is my term, and that's my initial payment. Okay, let's do it again, step by step. Monthly payment. This is let me do 1 plus R. So 5.5 divided by 12 divided by 100 plus 1 raised to the power 300. So I did this part. Let me do R now. Multiplied by R, 0.00458 multiplied by 450,000. So you see it's a little bit different. 8,131.754. Okay, let's do the number below. 1 plus R. Calculate R again. 5.5 divided by 12 divided by 100 plus 1. Okay, sounds good. Raised to the power 300. Take 1 out. 2.94267. So 1 over answer, then multiply by 8131.754. 2763.39. Okay. Okay. Then forget about my answer key because this is the correct solution. It should be B, basically the maximum. Okay, sounds good. So you guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and not enjoyed, but benefited from it. And okay, good luck. Bye bye.